Welcome back, guys. Looking for the perfect compact camera in 2025? We've rounded up the top 6 best point-and-shoot cameras that combine ease of use, high-quality images, and portability. Whether you're a traveler, vlogger, or casual shooter, these cameras offer powerful features in a small package, ideal for capturing moments on the go. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Number 6. Canon PowerShot SX740 HS. The Canon PowerShot SX740 HS is your ultimate travel buddy, packing a serious punch in a pocket-sized design. With a massive 40x optical zoom, you can capture everything from sweeping landscapes to tight close-ups without missing a beat. Its own 20.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic 8 processor deliver crisp, vibrant photos and smooth 4K video, perfect for Instagram or family memories. The camera's tilt-up LCD screen makes selfies and vlogging a breeze, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you share on the fly. Lightweight and easy to use, it's ideal for anyone who wants high-quality results without lugging around heavy gear. Whether you're hitting the city streets or exploring nature, the SX740HS keeps the good times in sharp focus. Number 5. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a content creator's dream, built for vloggers, influencers, and storytellers who want pro-level results without the hassle. This compact powerhouse packs a bright 24 to 70mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens, perfect for dreamy background blur and crisp low-light shots. Its 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor delivers stunning 4K video and vibrant photos, while features like real-time eye autofocus and product showcase mode make on-camera moments seamless and sharp. The flip-out LCD screen is vlog-ready, and the built-in directional mic with windscreen ensures your audio sounds as good as your video looks. Add in lightning-fast autofocus and easy smartphone connectivity, and you've got a portable studio in your pocket. Whether you're filming a YouTube video or snapping epic selfies, the ZV-1 makes it effortless and fun. Number 4. Fujifilm X100V. The Fujifilm X100V is a modern classic, blending retro style with cutting-edge tech for photographers who crave both beauty and performance. Its sleek all-metal body houses a powerful 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor and the lightning-fast X processor 5, delivering jaw-dropping image quality and rich color straight out of camera. The built-in 23mm f2 lens is razor-sharp and perfect for street, travel, or everyday shots. You'll love the TU Hybrid Viewfinder, which switches between optical and electronic for total creative control. With in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and 6.2K video recording, it's as ready for motion as it is for stills. Compact, stylish, and loaded with Fujifilm's iconic film simulations, the X100VI is more than just a camera. It's a storytelling machine in your hands. Number 3. Sony CyberShot DSC-RX 107. The Sony CyberShot DSC-RX 107 is a pocket-sized powerhouse built for creators who demand speed, quality, and versatility. Don't let its sleek, compact body fool you. Inside is a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, paired with a blazing fast Bion's X processor, delivering pro-level results in both photo and 4K video. The 24 to 200mm zoom lens gives you flexibility to shoot wide or get up close without switching gear, with real-time tracking and eye autofocus. For both humans and animals, you'll never miss a moment. It's also got a flip-up screen for easy selfies and vlogging, plus a lot of mic input for crystal-clear audio. Whether you're capturing fast action, epic landscapes, or daily adventures, the RX 107 packs serious performance into a travel-friendly frame that goes wherever your story takes you. Number 2. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is a content creator's go-to compact camera, perfectly blending portability with performance. It features a sharp E20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor and a fast f1.8 to 2.8 lens, making it ideal for stunning photos and smooth 4K video, even in low light. What really sets it apart? It's built for live streaming. Just plug in and go live straight to YouTube. The old flip-up touchscreen, external mic input, and snappy autofocus make it a vlogger's dream, while built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make sharing a breeze. From cinematic B-roll to spontaneous street shots, the G7X Mark III delivers big performance in a pocket-sized body. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or creating your next viral hit, this little camera packs everything you need to create with confidence. Number 1. Ricoh GR 30. The Ricoh GR Duer Trixiwe is the ultimate street shooter's secret weapon, compact, stealthy, and seriously powerful. It features a sharp 26.1mm, 40mm equivalent, f2.8 lens, giving you a natural perspective perfect for everyday moments, portraits, and urban scenes. Inside, the car 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers gorgeous image quality with rich detail and vibrant tones. Fast startup, responsive controls, and intuitive one-handed operation make it a joy to use on the fly. With built-in Baberkiao IBIS image stabilization and snappy autofocus, even quick grabs look polished. It's loaded with creative tools like in-camera RAW editing and film-style filters, giving your shots a unique vibe straight out of the camera. Pocket-sized but packed with pro-level punch, the GR3X is a minimalist stream for capturing real life with style and substance. So guys, all for that. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, bye.